Be really quick on the drop. Quicker than your mom. There you go. That's my boy. Okay, you really don't even need to shake it that much. Okay, loosen it up a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, just a little now. Over the head. Oh. Huh? Don't get it too close to your body though. Is it fizzing up? At all? Yeah. Oh. Uh-oh. The things we do for our children. Oh no, now it's gonna really go. You're gonna get pop all over you, Gabriel. Away from the car. Oh, there you go. Okay, leave it alone now. Just leave it. Don't throw it again. I mean it. So that, leave it there. Leave it there.